Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What's going on everybody? I hope you guys are doing well and I am back with another haul video and I am back after a very long time. So guys, today's video is going to be about bags under rupees 500 from Meesho. Guys, गर्मी आपके यहाँ कैसी है? हमारे यहाँ तो इतनी ज़्यादा है, it is unbearable. And to make videos without fan, without AC is a task. इसलिए मैंने ये sleek hairstyle किया है, ponytail, and I have not left my hair because I cannot bear this heat literally. So guys, I have ordered bags according to wedding season, क्योंकि अभी wedding season तो चल रहा है, तो as per that I've ordered bags. एक दो ऐसे हैं कि normal day to day life में use कर सकते हैं. Other than that, all are like wedding appropriate sling bags. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. Also guys, I'm very sorry I didn't upload any video last week, but now I've come back after a long break and I'm all pumped up. I'm all excited for new videos, and also I have planned of making a week in my life video. I'm going to show you everything, whatever I do in the whole week, and I'll upload it every week. And other than that, हमारे haul videos तो चलते रहेंगे, skin care videos, makeup videos. So guys, stay tuned for the upcoming videos. तो चलो अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं. स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट वन, मेरे पास ये बहुत प्यारा जूट बैग है. आई हैव नेवर सीन एनीथिंग एज सच. आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू गाइज, बट आई एम सीइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस फॉर वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. एंड जस्ट लुक एट दैट. इट इज अ जूट क्लच and this is going to go on all the wedding outfits and also on all the maxi dresses for beach wear and all. It is kind of giving, you know, boho vibes. And just look at that detail. It has this braiding throughout, and just look at the shape of the bag guys. I love this bag. And just guess the price. It is so damn affordable, like every person can afford for such pretty bag. I'm going to tell you the rate of this bag at the end, and it has single compartment which can fit a lot of things like your makeup, your bag, your kerchief or anything. You can carry this on saris or lehengas, or even, you know, if you're dressing up a boho style, you can carry this bag. And guys, the price of this bag is just 218 rupees. Just look at that cutie. It has this detailing over here. I love this guys. This is one of my favorite. Moving on to the second bag, it is this cute little tiny brown color textured bag. मेरे को छोटा सा brown color bag चाहिए था, and I found this so cute bag. It has this texture throughout, and you can just carry it as it is, or you also have a sling option. It has this sling bag. And also guys, just look at the amount of space inside. It can fit a lot of things. And guys, such brown, black and white bags go on a lot of your outfits, and I have a brown bag, but then I wanted something, you know, tiny, so I ordered for this one, and the quality is amazing. All the bags that I'm going to show you are very affordable and very good quality. This is also of very good quality. And guys, it had one more like black color in this and brown, but I wanted a brown one. That is why I went for this. And the price for this is just rupees 248. Like 248 में इतना cute सा bag guys. I love Meesho literally. So guys, moving on to the next one. It is not a sling bag. It is not you know, wedding related bag. It is something which is very useful, and you can carry it for, you know, if you're traveling for just 1-2 days or even for airport. And it is this lavender color bag. I hope everybody has seen this bag on Instagram or anywhere, any social media platforms. I have literally seen this like bags, like Korean girls using this bag for traveling and all. And just look at that color, guys. It had a lot of color option, but I fell in love with this lavender color and the amount of compartments, the space and all, guys. It has one big compartment, and then it has a compartment over here and at the back also, and this you can just hang your bag on the trolley bag or just fix it over there. And the quality, guys, the quality is amazing. And one more thing about this bag is, if your things doesn't fit in this size, you can also extend the bag. There is a zipper over here. I'll just show it to you guys. You just have to open the zipper and the extra space. You can get extra space. Just look at that. This is such a useful bag, guys. I'm not going to carry those trolley bags every now and then. This bag is going to be my next travel bag. Like anywhere for 1-2 days, if I'm traveling, I'm going to travel with this because I love it. You can fit literally everything in this. They had like pink color, black color, white color, but this is such a cutie color, cutie bag. And the price, guys, this bag just costed me for 361 rupees. Do you even think of, having a bag, such pretty bag for 361? I cannot believe it. But literally this bag is for 361 rupees. आगे बढ़ते हैं and the next bag says traditional Banjara style sling bag, and it is this bag. Just look at that, guys. Just look at the details over here. I wanted a bag like Banjara style bag. I used to see on this Delhi vloggers, like they go to Sarojini, Janpat, and they get such cute Banjaran bags, and I wanted to order for me. But this is a tiny, a decent one, but they have like very, very good ones. So that's my Banjaran bag, and just look at the details. You can literally carry this as it is, or it has a sling inside. This is the sling, and it is also of nice cotton material, cotton or what, I don't know, but it is of very good material, and it has a lot of space inside. You can just put the zipper and put this and use it, guys, on everything. This is also going to go on all your outfits, like traditional outfits, or if you're styling boho style, you can style it with this sling bag, guys. And this costed me for 381 rupees. Moving on to the next bag, I have this sling bag, which is a basic black sling bag, but then it has this pouch. I have black bags, like 2-3 black bags, but I don't have anything as such like extra pouch or something, and I've ordered this bag literally for this extra pouch. And this is a basic black bag. You can use it as a sling bag, or you can adjust over here and use it as a shoulder bag also. And guys, the quality is amazing, and just look at the amount of space it has. And also you can detach this pouch if you don't like, but I'm in love with this pouch, and I'm going to use it with the sling bag. And you can fit in a lot of things in this pouch as well. So guys, basic black bag, I think everybody should have, and this is so affordable. It was just for 238 rupees, literally 238 rupees. And also in this they had a lot of color options. we have reached to the end and I'm going to show you my favorite bag. Literally आंसू आ रहे थे when I saw this bag for the first time. It is so cute and it is this pearl bag. I know all of you have seen this like on Instagram, YouTube about this bag, but I didn't have one and I ordered one for myself. Just look at that, guys, and it is sturdy. It is not at all of cheap quality and it has just one compartment to fit your lipstick, your phone, and that's it. You can carry this on dresses as well, on traditional outfits like saris, lehengas, on everything. This is going to go on everything, guys. Western plus traditional. This is my favorite bag, guys. And yeah, it is so cute. Just look at that. The pearls are also of very good quality and this just costed me for 472 rupees. This is the expensive among all the bags that I showed you, but I think it is worth because it is so unique, so antique, so cute. Guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you like the bags. All of them are so pretty and very affordable, guys. Everyone can afford for like any bag and wear it on weddings or in your day-to-day life or anywhere, guys. The quality is amazing of each and every bag, and the link for all of the bags will be in my description box. In case you like any, you can go and place your order. And if you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye guys.